Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Coalinga, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you prepared to hire a quality and cheap Coalinga moving company? 3 Movers will supply all the necessary services for your local or long-distance move. We offer services for all sorts of people, including commercial and residential. Despite the kind of move you want to be done, our moving crew is ready to make it happen for you. Our crew of reliable movers will make sure your long-distance move goes easily. We help you move to the next state over or all the way across the USA. The best moving services make all the difference, and our team provides just what you need for your upcoming relocation. Using us gives you access to each of the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. Whenever you want to hire a California moving company, justifying the cost might seem to be difficult. A deeper look at the advantages you get from a local moving company may help you recognize why it's a practical choice. You're going to definitely save time with your local relocation when you hire a moving company. You also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our moving crew will make it easy for you to get to your new location without nearly as much concern. You never need to stress about devoting multiple days dealing with your move when you choose 3 Movers to help. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can get it done quick. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Coalinga moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.